this guide, I'm going to show you how you could cycle here in Clash Royale. This is a very key gameplay aspect of Clash Royale, so it's important to understand how it works. But before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, it's super important to understand that Clash Royale uses a fixed card rotation system. So when you do play a card, it's going to leave your hand and move all the way to the back of your deck. To get that same card back, you essentially have to play 4 other cards first. Once you do that, the original card will return to your hand. And what this is called is cycling. For example, if your cheapest card is Skeleton, Ice Spirit, Log, Golem, and obviously you could filter this by the cheapest cards right here, you're going to see that these are going to be your cycle cards. Good ones are Skeletons, Ice Spirits, Logs, Golem, and these cards are obviously about 6 elixir total, and that would be called a 6 elixir cycle. Cycling is just playing cheap cards quickly so that you could cycle back to your win condition faster than your opponent, and this is because your opponent is going to use the best counter against your win condition. And so, of course, you could cycle back to it again before their counter even returns to their hand. Cycling also is going to help with constant offensive pressure by repeatedly attacking. You're going to essentially force your opponent to spend elixir defending, which prevents them from building up a large push. It's also extremely useful on defense. For example, you could cycle quickly back to a defensive building like Cannon or Tesla if you need it again. But as long as you master cycle, you will have mastered one of the most important skills in Clash Royale, especially for fast cycle decks, which is like the majority of metas now. And that is it. If this guide did help you out and help clear things up, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.